Nung nakita po nila po yung board exam, no, nag-top 5 po ako, marami po nagme-message sa akin. They were asking inquiries kung paano po yung journey ko sa ETIAP, paano ko po napagsabay yung work and pag-aaral. And then they're telling me that na-inspire sila. Nagpapasalamat po ako syempre sa Lord na it's an answered prayer. Not only on the top 10, but I'm on the top 5. Wow! Yung ETIAP program po, as an OFW, it empowers everyone po na to strive more and not to lose hope. Kasi alam ko po, especially in the Middle East po talaga, nandoon yung discrimination in your job title, sa field na pinili mo, whether it is a nursing man, it is an engineering, it is in administration. Nandun na you are fulfilled na, yes, I'm a graduate of ETIAP program, I am now a professional.